In this video, we'll talk about simplifying exponents more. The exponents that we'll talk about in this video are where you have a base raised to a power and that whole thing is raised to another power. And in this question, we have simplify 5 raised to the power 3 times raised to the power 4. So to work out exponents in this situation, you just simply multiply the exponents. So you would do 5 raised into power 3 times 4, and this is the same as 5 raised to the power 12. Okay, and so the correct answer is 5 raised to the power 12. So simplify 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. Well, there are two ways to think about this. The easiest way is to just say you multiply the exponents. So you have 5 raised to the power 3 times 2, which is equal to 5 raised to the power 6. And this is the correct answer. But the way to conceptually think about this is you have 5 raised to the power 3 squared. So 5 raised to the power 3 squared. This is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 3. And this is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And this is equal to 5 to the power 6. So this is the correct answer. And this is, if you wanted to work this problem the long way, you could do it this way. But it's just easier to multiply the exponent when you have like a base and a power and exponent raised to another power. Okay. So simplify 12 to the power 5 raised to the power 4. Well, this is just simply you multiply the exponent. So you do base 12 and you have 5 times 4. And this is just 12. 5 times 4 is 20. So this is 12 raised to the power 4 to the power 20. So this is the correct answer. So simplify 6 raised to the power negative 3 raised to the power negative 3. Well, in this case, the exponents are all negative, so we'll just multiply them and nothing changes. So we do 6 raised to the power negative 3 times negative 3. And well, if you multiply two negative numbers, the sign becomes positive. So this is 6 raised to the power positive 9, or just 6 raised to the power 9. And this is the correct answer. We'll simplify a raised to the power negative 2, all of that raised to the power negative 4. Well, nothing changes again. We just have a, and then we multiply the exponents. Negative 2 times 4. Well, negative 2 times 4 is actually equal to negative 8. So this is a to the power negative 8. And we'll just leave it at this. And if you want to be more fancy, if you have a negative exponent, this is just the same as 1 over a to the power 8. But you don't need to do this, and this is not what the question asked you to do. So we'll just have this question. Like, this is our answer for this question. So simplify a to the x times y. Well, it's not much of a simplification. It's just you have to acknowledge that this is equal to a to the x times y, or a to the power xy. So you just have to acknowledge this. So it's not much of a simplification. And thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.